It is Miss Joya. It's Monday, which means that it is time for our In Between video. It also means that every Monday we are switching out the activity kits that you can find outside of the library. There is a bin for each age range, so the one for this week for you will be in the In Between bin, and you can get your activity packet. It's all in the little Ziploc bag ready for you to go. This week you're going to find some materials that are going to help you do a different science-related activity at home. And you'll see that there will actually be a balloon in there, a straw, and a piece of string. So those are going to give you all the materials that you'll need to make a rocket. So and once you blow up your balloon, when you attach it to a door, it can go across the room. So you'll see how that works at home with the instructions. Also, I didn't know if everybody already had balloons at home, so I also am putting an extra balloon into your packet for this science experiment that we're about to do. And this is called Building a Fizz Infiltrator. And now that is just basically an exciting way to say that we're going to make a balloon blow up by using vinegar and baking soda. Hopefully you'll have everything that you need to do this at home. And like I said, I did give you the balloon. But otherwise, I think hopefully most of you will have white vinegar, which I brought this from home, so I don't have the extra container. So there's some white vinegar inside of here. And then you're going to need some baking soda. And if you have a funnel on hand, that would be a great thing to have. Otherwise, you can always what you're going to use the funnel for is to put the baking soda down into the balloon. Okay, so if you do not have a funnel, what you could do is take maybe a smaller piece of paper and make it into a funnel shape and place it inside of your balloon. You just need it to get your baking soda down into it. Or if you maybe somehow have a spoon or something small enough that you could do that. Okay, so, and like I said, you'll need an empty water bottle as well for this. I would say before you do this to practice, because I have seen that they do this online. Some of the videos show with even like a Gatorade bottle, which has a wider mouth. So what you're going to want to do first is check to make sure that your balloon, give it a little bit of a stretch, oops, and then you're going to want to put it over the mouth, as we call it, of the bottle, just like that, okay? So that's eventually what you're going to want it to do. So just make sure that that works in the bottle that you have. Okay, all right, so this was found at a site that is called sciencebob.com, and I've used this site quite a bit, and if you want to check it out at home, there are a lot of great activities, science experiments, and things that you can do. And I know that when I've done these with the tweens here at the library, when we're doing in-person programs, they really enjoyed these and thought they were a lot of fun. So I hope you have fun, and I hope this works out for you on your first try. All right, so let's give it a try here, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we are all set. As long as you have all your materials gathered together, you'll take your empty water bottle or another drink bottle that you'd like. I've already measured out a half a cup of white vinegar, and I would recommend getting some paper towels to put down, or maybe just a regular towel on the counter or the table, maybe wherever you're going to be doing this, just in case you do spill. All right, and then we'll pour that into our bottle. Okay. Now this is where we'll use either the funnel or we will use the paper. If you take some white paper and make it into make a little funnel out of it. And here I have measured out 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So you'll take this and you'll pour it into your funnel with the balloon connected. And just kind of shake that around a little bit to make sure you get all that baking soda in there. And we can set these things over to the side. So you can see what's going to happen here. And now I'm going to spread this out and put it onto the mouth. Remember, make it really secure onto your bottle. And then you're going to take and tip this so that your baking soda goes in. And there it goes. And that is going to blow up the balloon. And you see the fizzing that's happening down here. This is the great thing about Science Bob, is that I'm going to move this over, we can watch it while I'm talking to you. Now you'll see that the fizzing is all gone. So basically what happened was your baking soda is considered your base, and your white vinegar is considered the acid. So when the two of them are put together, they make like a chemical reaction and they create a gas. And the gas that was created in here when we saw the bubbling was carbon dioxide. And gas, it takes up a lot of room when it spreads around and moves. And so whenever it did that, it starts to fill the bottle and then it moves into the balloon and it inflates your balloon. So there's what we have. All right, so you can try this at home and hopefully it works for you on the first try. And it depends probably on the size of the balloon that you have if you decide to use another balloon besides the one that we did. And you will be getting these instructions into your packet. All right.